Welcome to What's My Recipe? Starring Peach Betty. Let's visit the home of Peach and see who needs her help today.
It's Monica and Winslet here, and we wanted to know if you could find in all of your recipe books a recipe for thumbprint cookies. My grandma used to make them for the holidays, and I want to know if you can make them just as good, if not better. Right?
Well, Monica and Baby Winslet, your recipe was found in McCall's cookie collection from 1965. And here's how it's made. Peach starts with 1 stick of room temperature butter. It keeps her hands silky smooth. She then adds brown sugar, which can be mixed with your hands, or maybe a wooden spoon. The choice is up to you, although a spoon might be less messy. And of course, you can feel free to try the dough at any time. She then mixes the butter and sugar until creamy and smooth. Now it's time to add vanilla extract and separate 1 egg. Peach is careful not to break the yolk. Nice job. Save that egg white. We'll need it later. It's time for the remaining ingredients, flour and baking soda. Look at that smooth dough. Irresistible to taste. Sullivan approved. Peach grabs a non-stick cookie sheet and a small scoop to portion out her cookie dough. Once scooped, she then rolls each one into a cute little ball and covers them in egg whites and chopped walnuts. Now it's time to put that thumb to work. She presses gently into each ball to create a small indent to hold yummy jam after baking. And it's time to bake. After 10 minutes, these little gems are done. She removes them from the tray to cool. It's now time for Sullivan's favorite, raspberry jam. She fills every cookie to the brim. Well, almost every cookie. Beautiful presentation. Which cookie will she choose? That one. Ready? Delicious. Great job. Monica, we hope these are as good as you remember them. If you have a recipe you miss from your childhood, send Peach Betty an email. You might be next on What's My Recipe?